What type of fertilizer to use on grapevines? Grapevines are easy to grow in the home garden if you have a trellis, arbor or fence on which they can climb. The fruit makes a nutritious snack, and, if you are adventuresome, you can even grow a wine grape. Commercial fertilizer. Chemical fertilizers with an NPK ratio of 10-10-10 are good for grapevines, according to the University of Missouri. Apply 1/4 cup of granular 10-10-10 plant food within 1 week of planting a vine and reapply within 1 month. Give your vine 1 cup the following year, before new growth begins in early spring. Do not give your grapevine too much fertilizer. The University of California at Davis cautions against giving a grapevine excessive amounts of nitrogen. Animal manure. The University of California Cooperative Extension in Tulare County, a grape-producing area, states that manure is a good fertilizer for grapevines. Different types of animal manure contain different percentages of key nutrients. An important consideration when using animal manure is to allow it to first compost well so no burning of the plant occurs. Compost. You can make your own compost from kitchen scraps and yard trimmings, or you can purchase it at a nursery. If you spread a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic compost around the base of your grapevine, it will provide continuous nutrition all season long. Reapply compost once each year, in spring.